Good morning and hello everyone. Today we talk about Mutanabi Street. Mutanabi Street is in Baghdad, Iraq. It is very famous street. It is a street of books, culture and history. Mutanabi Street is not very long, but it is important. Many people love this street. Students, teachers, writers, and visitors come here. They come from all countries. On Mutanabi Street, you see many bookshops. You see books on tables. You see books on walls. You see books everywhere. The books are old and new. Some books are cheap. Some books are very rare. People walk slowly on this street. They look at books. They talk to sellers. They ask questions. They smile. And they drink coffee. They enjoy the place. On Friday morning, the street is very busy. Many people come early. Friends meet friends. Families come together. The street is full of life. You can also see artists on Mutanabi Street. Some draw pictures, some sell art, some read books. You hear many sounds. People talk, people laugh, and also pages turn. Coffee and tea are important on Mutanabi Street. There are small cafes near the street. People drink tea and coffee and they eat. They sit and talk. They read books. They relax. Mutanabi Street is named after Al-Mutanabi, a famous poet. He loved words. He loved language. This street loves words too. The street is not only a place. I think it's a feeling. It is the heart of culture in Baghdad. It shows that Iraq loves knowledge. It shows that people love learning. Children love learning. Adults love learning. When you walk on Mutanabi Street, you feel proud. You feel calm. You feel connected. I think Mutanabi Street is a street of ideas. It is a street of books. Also, it is a street of hope for this generation and the coming generation. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة د.وليد خالد